Welcome to RosettaHUB. In this tutorial we will show you how to add a cloud image and share it with other users. Please make sure you are selecting the Overview tab, and that you are selecting the Workspaces and Labs perspective. Select Amazon Web Services as the cloud provider. Choose the region. For this tutorial we will choose Ireland. Under the Machine Images view, create a new image. Choose Image ID as the origin. Input a label. To add a private image, find the AMI in your AWS console and copy it to the image ID. For this tutorial, we are going to choose a public canonical Ubuntu image. Copy the AMI. Now paste it in the image ID. For the Ubuntu machines, the default username on AWS is Ubuntu. Choose the OS name and input the version. Let's open the port 22 for SSH. Press Create. A new icon will appear under the Machine Images view. Right-click, and choose Customize. We will be changing the appearance of the image. Click Customize. Now, click on the image to launch it. Choose Machine as the type. You can also change the machine root volume size and capacity. After you're done configuring, press Launch. A new formation will appear under Cloud Formations, and a new icon will appear under Sessions. Wait until you see a green tick on the upper left corner of the icon. This will take a few seconds. Once the green tick appears, you can click on the session icon to see the connections information. Download PuTTY. Then download the PPK file. Once downloaded, open a command prompt, go to your Downloads folder and copy-paste the command line. You are now connected to your Ubuntu machine. Now, let's share the new image that we have created with another user. Right-click on the image, and choose Share. Input the user login, press Share, then Done. Now if we connect as Emily, we will be able to view and launch the canonical Ubuntu image by clicking on the image. Thank you for following this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye for now.